that number. I think that is. Can you go and tell the other waitress to, or get them sorted and then they'll come in? Yeah. Actually, I'm not too sure. I'll be back to you in a second. Sorry. Hi, how can I help you?
Yeah, hi, 309.
309. 309. Thank you. Now are you paying for cash or card?
Card on the phone.
Should be €25 there. Have you any plans for the rest of the week?
No, just staying on the house.
I see. I hope you come in another day. Thank you very much. Bye. Hey, go
So what happened?
So these people were getting their food and then two robbers came in and stopped the customers from leaving and has stolen a lot of the stuff.
Okay, what did they steal from you?
Credit card phone.
I think I can use for my phone to get your phone back, probably the till as well. So
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
it's alright. I gotta get going
Yeah.
to use the phone.
There's no cash in here.
That's cashless society for you.
Just find my phone app, it's very handy. You must be up here.
Can we go home now? Our food is getting cold. These could have been away ages ago. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Well, we handled that really well.